you've been seeing the word law of attraction or manifesting on social media and on the internet and just everywhere you look, that you're just like, okay, what does this mindset really mean? Today, I will be talking about all about law of attraction and manifesting for beginners. Welcome to my channel and thanks for tuning in. I appreciate you so much. My name is Bri Mosquera and I am a law of attraction mindset coach. On this channel, I provide tips on wellness, self-development, law of attraction, and manifesting. So when you hear the word law of attraction and manifesting, what do you think? What is the first thing that comes to your mind? Comments below, I would love to hear. From a few conversations that I've had with people who are still learning what is law of attraction and manifesting, they have explained to me that it seems like some type of voodoo mentality or some type of magical mindset. And I do like to believe that there is some magic tied into it, because it's all about you and you're creating this magic within yourself to attract and attain your goals. Why is this mindset so powerful? Well, there is vibrational frequencies and energy all around us that scientists have even researched on. Also, MRIs is able to pick up the energy that we have in our brain waves. And the energy that is found all around us in this moment, in this room, in the universe, that applies to non-physical and physical objects. And the non-physical objects are our thoughts. Okay, so let's rewind and review really quick. So law of attraction is the belief that whatever you place your attention on, thoughts that you are having, that is what you're going to attract back into your life, whether it be positive or whether it be negative. Manifesting is the beliefs that you place on your intentions that support the goal that you are attracting into your life. It is believed that with law of attraction, you are attracting something that is already a part of the physical world, while with manifesting, you are creating something that is not a part of the physical world yet, but by you believing that what you are asking for is already yours, you are creating it and making it a part of your physical world. With all these vibrational frequencies and energy that surround us, that make up our body and mind, we are able to raise, lower, or even match the vibrational frequency and energy of other people and other objects, which is why we should be mindful of who we are surrounding ourselves with, especially if we are going to use law of attraction and manifesting as the mindset to help us in our self-growth journey. Because the people we surround ourselves with, the activities that we partake in, they can influence our thoughts. And if we are trying to promote more positive emotions and thoughts, then you participating and being surrounded with people that just bring you negative emotions and negative thoughts is going to attract the same type of emotions, and you're going to struggle with attracting the positive emotions that you desire to attain your goal. And you're just going to give up and you're going to say, this doesn't work for me. But it does. It's all about your belief and knowing why attaining this goal and manifesting it is important to you. What are you going to benefit from you? What is the value in it for you? And there is intentional action that you can take to strengthen your manifestation, such as journaling. And if you are new to journaling, I just created a video today about journaling 101 and how you can start journaling as a beginner. So I will provide the link below so you can also check that out. Journaling, creating affirmations, creating a vision board for yourself of what your goal looks like, what you even look like when this goal is yours and a part of your life. What type of emotions are you experiencing as well? And then the rest is left to the universe, and that's right. And maybe that's why people think of it in this magical way when you think of your request going out to the universe. But it is all because of this energy and vibrational frequency that is around us that allows us to make this connection with the universe or God or the higher power that you believe in. The universe is a representation of that, of us having faith and having hope and believing in this deeper connection that can be made with the energy that we don't see around us. And even if you're always optimistic and you're always thinking positive, but yet the moment that you start thinking about your goal and you start feeling a sense of doubt and insecurity start bubbling up in your stomach, and just you feel it spread all over your body and mind, even when you have those moments, if you feed into it, it's going to be difficult for you to manifest and attract, because you're still allowing those limiting beliefs and negative emotions to make you doubt your manifestation and make you doubt your ability to attract it. It's important that you're mindful of your beliefs, where your thoughts are going to, if they're aligned with your goal and what you wish to manifest, or if they're kind of steering off track, and if you need to then redirect your attention back to where it is that you want to be thinking. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you understand a little bit more about what law of attraction and manifesting is and how you can begin to use this mindset. If you are interested in talking even further about law of attraction and manifesting and knowing how exactly you can implement this mindset into your day-to-day life, you can book a free mindset discovery call with me. We speak for an hour about how you can start moving forward, gaining that clarity so you can increase your self-insight and self-awareness on yourself and on your goals. So I will leave the link below as well, and I look forward to chatting. And also like and subscribe and share so we can continue to grow our community. Every Wednesday I upload 2 new videos, so make sure that you subscribe so you will be the first to know. And I will talk to you some more next Wednesday. Sending you lots of positivity and love your way.